Have you ever stopped to think, what if we've been lied to our entire lives? From childhood, they put a globe in our hands, a bright, shiny ball with countries and oceans painted on it. Teachers confidently say, this is what our planet looks like. But here's the question. Have you ever seen with your own eyes that the Earth is round? No. You've only seen a toy on a shelf, a map in a textbook, pictures on the internet, and videos from space shot somewhere far, far away. But you've never had the chance to verify it for yourself. Now listen carefully. Imagine you're standing on the seashore. The water stretches out to the horizon, and we're told, this is because the Earth is round. It sounds beautiful, but there's a catch. If you look closely, the horizon is always at eye level. Whether you're on a beach or on a mountain peak, the horizon line rises with you. If the Earth were a sphere, the horizon should curve downward. It should appear lower, but it doesn't. And now it gets even more interesting. Airplanes. Have you ever flown? You sit in your seat, and the airliner climbs higher and higher. You look out the window, and again, you see a straight line. No curves, no arcs. Everything is perfectly level. But if the Earth is a ball, the pilot would have to push the nose down every few minutes to avoid flying off into space. Yet pilots don't do that. Their course is a straight line, because they're flying over a plane. And that's not all. Look at airline maps. Take, for example, a flight from Chile to Australia. On a globe, the route seems illogical. It veers off to the side, as if pilots are deliberately choosing a curved path. But on a flat map, it all becomes perfectly logical. The path is straight and short. And there are dozens of routes like this. Too many coincidences, right? Some might object. Well, but astronauts have seen the Earth from space. Okay, but do you personally know even one astronaut? Have you seen with your own eyes what they show on the news? No. And here's a fact. Almost all photos of the Earth are perfectly round, as if drawn. Where are the real photos? Where are the imperfect, raw ones? They don't exist. There are only computer models and images that NASA itself calls assembled and processed. But the most mysterious thing is Antarctica. We're told it's a continent at the South Pole. But there's a theory. In reality, Antarctica is a giant ice wall that surrounds the entire world at the edges. It holds the oceans in, preventing the water from flowing off the edge of the disk. And now for the most curious part. Almost no one is allowed there. Access to Antarctica is closed to ordinary people. Only military personnel and researchers with special permits work there, all under strict control. Why? What is there that we're not supposed to see? I know it sounds crazy, but that's exactly how great secrets work. At first, people laugh at them. Then they argue. And then people start to think for themselves and search for answers. And one more thing. Have you noticed that when you look into the distance, buildings and ships disappear behind the horizon from the bottom up? We're told it's because of the Earth's curvature. But try using binoculars or a camera with a good zoom, and suddenly the vanished ship reappears. That means it didn't hide behind a sphere. It just went beyond the limits of visibility. So, the next time you're by the sea, boarding a plane, or just looking at the sky, ask yourself, what if the Earth really isn't a sphere, but a huge flat disk with a secret hidden at its edges? A secret that is carefully guarded. Subscribe to the channel to uncover secrets you never knew about.